I know jumping rope in the cold can be a difficult task because it's cold outside and you really don't feel like going outside in the cold and jumping rope.
I never freeze.
But I'm here to tell you it's worth it. In today's video, I'm gonna give you all the benefits of jumping rope in the cold. You'll be quite surprised in all the reasons why you should actually jump rope in the cold this winter.
At this point, I doubt anything would surprise me.
So, grab your jump rope, layer up, and let's explore how this simple yet effective exercise can keep you active, fit, and invigorated during the winter months. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll jump right into it.
Avengers!
Everything that you see in this video, every single thing is available down in the links below. Now, let's get back to the video. When you jump rope in the cold, you can burn more calories because it takes more energy to maintain body temperature in colder weather. In order to stay warm, your body burns calories by activating brown adipose tissues, also called brown fat. It's really true that summer bodies are made in the winter. In fact, this study done by Harvard states that working out in colder weather can actually boost your metabolism. So think about that next time you don't want to take that jump rope outside for a workout. The cardiovascular demands of jumping rope, coupled with the cold environment, makes your heart and respiratory system work harder. Jumping rope in the cold can cause increased endurance through a combination of physiological adaptations and metabolic demands. Working out in the cold can get your body out of its comfort zone. It'll force your body to endure the cold. You're not so comfortable, so your body is better at enduring the cold. So when you're doing activities in much more comfortable climates, you're able to do them even better. Cold weather challenges the body to adapt to environmental stress, improving cardiovascular efficiency. Cooler air makes the respiratory system work harder, which boosts lung capacity and oxygen intake, which are fundamental to endurance. Meanwhile, the body responds to the cold by boosting blood flow to working muscles by raising heart rate and circulation. Together with jumping rope's rhythmic and aerobic nature, these adaptations help you last longer.
I want this all day.
Getting regular jump rope workouts can improve people's stamina and resilience,
The hardest choices require the strongest will.
which has benefits beyond the workout and contributes to cardiovascular health overall. Jumping rope in the cold can help develop mental toughness. It creates a mental training ground when you have to overcome your body's natural resistance to lower temperatures due to cold weather. The discipline required to survive in cold weather develops resilience, grit, and heightened ability to cope. Jumping rope demands focus, concentration, and perseverance, which further enhances this mental toughness development.
I've come here to tell you to trust yourself. Trust your power.
Jumping rope and pushing through the cold strengthens the connection between your body and mind, so you're more able to overcome obstacles in fitness and in life. Thus, cold weather jump rope sessions are a great way to cultivate a resilient mindset and prepare yourself to handle challenges.
How'd you solve the icing problem?
By combining physical activity with exposure to outdoors, jumping rope in the cold can boost your mood naturally.
That's my secret, Captain. I'm always angry.
Endorphins, the body's feel-good chemicals, are released during exercise, contributing to improved mood and less anxiety. Exercising outdoors can further enhance these mood-elevating benefits by providing invigorating cold air and natural sunlight. A sense of calm and well-being can also be fostered by jumping rope rhythmic and repetitive nature, which promotes mindfulness and eases symptoms of seasonal affective disorder, aka SAD. Jumping rope in the crisp, cool air can provide a pleasant and refreshing environment, which can enhance one's mood. Jumping rope in the cold improves sleep quality in several ways. You can improve your sleep by jumping rope regularly, regulating your circadian rhythms and promoting restful sleep. As the body works to maintain warmth, exercising in the cold increases overall energy expenditure. A cold weather workout can increase physical activity, which can help you sleep more deeply. Also, exposure to natural sunlight during outdoor exercise helps regulate the body's internal clock so you sleep and wake better. By incorporating cold weather jump rope sessions into your routine, you can improve both your physical fitness and your sleep. If you're gonna jump rope outside this winter, do you make sure you're taking all of the precautions possible. Pay attention to everything that I'm about to say in this video, as some of it might save your life if you're trying to get in shape to get that summer body this winter.
Speed up, I know these kids.
You know, with great ability comes great accountability.
That's not even how the saying goes,
Now,
Dad.
you like to
Watch out for hypothermia. Hypothermia, or abnormally low body temperature, can happen when you exercise in the cold. If you have shivering, fatigue, slurred speech, or loss of coordination, go see an emergency room doctor right away. Be sure to let someone know when you're going outdoors and make sure your phone is fully charged. Don't forget to dress properly to prevent hypothermia. Staying hydrated is paramount when working out in the cold, despite the misconception that decreased temperature means lower hydration needs. In cold weather, your body still expends energy and loses fluid through respiration and sweat. The dry air can also increase fluid loss through evaporation. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining overall performance, preventing muscle cramps, and supporting thermoregulation. Cold weather may dull the sensation of thirst, making it easy to overlook fluid intake. However, dehydration can compromise your ability to generate heat, putting you at risk of hypothermia. By ensuring adequate hydration, you optimize your body's ability to function efficiently in the cold, enhancing endurance and reducing the likelihood of fatigue or injury during your winter workouts. A new piece of equipment that I use to stay warm while I'm jumping is my heated jacket.
This is not some cute technology like the Iron Man suit.
There are several benefits to jumping rope in a heated jacket. Here are a few. You can exercise comfortably in chilly conditions because the jacket keeps your body warm, preventing excessive heat loss. Increased warmth improves muscle function and joint flexibility, reducing injuries associated with cold weather. A better workout experience can also make it easier to exercise longer and more efficiently. As a bonus, the jacket may increase blood circulation, helping muscles receive oxygen and nutrients better. This could lead to better results in terms of strength and endurance. Additionally, wearing a warm jacket can help to prevent hypothermia, a serious condition that can be fatal. Truth be told, I've been using that heated coat as just my winter coat, testing out in some of the coldest days that we've had thus far, and I haven't missed having a coat, to be honest. It's nice, you just hit the button and you can just regulate the temperature on the coat. It is super convenient and it's great for workouts. I truly believe that this coat will help me get in the best shape possible and reap some of the benefits that I stated in this video. And it can also help keep me safe and make sure that I'm not too cold while I'm working out outside. If you want one, you can get it in the links below. The way you dress can greatly affect the way that you work out in the cold. You can either be shivering or it can put you in pure danger if you don't have the correct gear.
And it's a no on the cape.
I think it's cool.
Take that off. It's disrespectful. Spider-Man doesn't wear a cape.
To jump rope safely and effectively in the cold, you must dress appropriately. Keep sweat away from your skin by wearing moisture-wicking base layers. Cold weather compression clothing is what I use to stay comfortable. I often wear sweatpants and sweatshirts as another layer when it's really cold. It's essential to strike a balance between warmth and mobility. You don't want clothing to constrict you too much, but you do want to stay warm. You can maintain this balance by ensuring your clothing allows for full range of motion during dynamic activities. Adjust your attire based on the specific weather conditions and always include reflective elements if you are exercising in low light. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, comment below saying I'm gonna get in the best shape possible this winter. And if you're curious about how jumping rope affects your body overall, check this video out right here. It'll tell you exactly that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.